The Galaxy S26 Ultra just leaked in the craziest way possible. Early sales, full hands-ons, and new features we weren't supposed to know yet. We're still just a few days away from Samsung's next Unpacked event, expected in late February 2026, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already showing up online. Some buyers have reportedly gotten the phone early, and unboxing videos are starting to appear. That means we already have a good idea of what Samsung is about to officially announce. A tech YouTuber from Dubai managed to buy the device ahead of launch and shared a full hands-on look. One of the biggest new features he showed is the privacy display. When turned on in the settings, the screen becomes difficult to see from side angles. This could help protect messages or photos when you're using the phone in public. Earlier leaks suggested it might also hide specific content like notifications, but that part hasn't been clearly demonstrated yet. If this video helped you stay updated, hit subscribe and join us for more tech news and early leaks. The S Pen has also been slightly redesigned. Samsung adjusted its shape so it fits better with the phone's curved frame. However, it can still be inserted the wrong way, which looks a bit odd but doesn't damage anything. More importantly, this early look confirms the stylus does not bring back Bluetooth features. That lines up with reports that Samsung has been removing Bluetooth S Pen functions from several newer devices. When compared with the previous model, the front of the phone looks very similar. The bezels appear almost identical to the S25 Ultra. One small visual change is around the 5x telephoto lens, which now has a slightly more rounded design. Reports also mention a wider aperture on that zoom camera, which could improve low-light photos, even though Samsung hasn't highlighted it much in its marketing images. The new cobalt violet color is also getting attention. Depending on lighting, it can look gray, purple, or somewhere in between. This kind of shifting color effect isn't new, but it does make the phone look different in real-life photos compared to early renders. Official marketing material confirms several specs. Battery capacity remains 5,000 mAh, and Samsung still claims up to 31 hours of video playback, the same figure used for the S25 Ultra in 2025. Charging, however, appears faster. Samsung says the S26 Ultra can reach 75% in 30 minutes using the new 60W charger, compared to roughly 65% in 30 minutes on last year's model. That's a noticeable improvement for quick top-ups. Performance is another big focus. Samsung says the new processor delivers about 19% faster CPU performance, 24% better graphics, GPU, and 39% stronger AI processing, NPU performance. Chipmaker Qualcomm is even calling this its fastest mobile chip so far, claiming it can compete directly with Apple's latest silicon from Apple. With early buyers, leaked marketing slides, and hands-on videos already out before the official launch, this is shaping up to be one of the most revealed Samsung phones ever before announcement day.